Hello everyone, my name is Ananda Cahaya Firdevanka. I'm from class of 22 Management C with NPM 2241111 30 and 7. Today I will explain about core values and ethics in organizational change. Definition: core values and ethics are foundational principles that guide behavior, decision-making, and culture within an organization, especially during periods of change. In the context of organizational change, they serve as the moral compass and cultural anchor that influence how change is conceived, communicate, implement, and sustain. 1. Core values in organizational change. Core values are the fundamental belief and guiding principles that are deeply ingrained in an organizational culture. These values shape how employees interact, make decisions, and approach their work, especially when navigation change. Common core values include 1. Integrity, acting with honestly and consistently. 2. Respect, valuing each individual contribution. 3. Innovation, embracing new ideas and change. 4. Accountability, taking responsibility for action. 5. Collaboration, working together towards shared goals. In change management, core values provide stability and a sense of identity. They help employees understand why change is happening and how it aligns with the organization, mission, and purpose. 2. Ethics in organizational change. Ethics refers to the moral principles that govern behavior within the organizational. Ethics consideration during change involve ensuring that the process is 1. Fair. Change is implemented without favoritism or bias. 2. Transparent. Decision and process are communicated clearly. 3. Respectful. The dignity of all stakeholders is maintained. 4. Inclusive. Diverse perspectives are considered. 5. Responsible. Leaders are accountable for the consequence of change. Unethical change practices such as mindling communication, unfair layoff, and coercive tactics can lead to mistakes, low moral, and resistance. 3. Importance of core values and ethics in change. 1. Build trust. When leaders act according to ethical standards and core values, they build trust among employees. 2. Enhance buy-in. Employees are more likely to support change when they see it is rooted in shared values. 3. Reduce resistance. Ethical communication and inclusion help reduce fear and opposition. 4. Strength culture. Aligning change with core values reinforce the organizational cultural identity. 5. Improve outcomes. Ethical, value-driven change process tend to produce more sustainable and positive results. Benefit 1. Build trust and credibility. When leaders act ethically and align decisions with core values, employees are more likely to trust the change process. Trust reduces fear, suspicion, and resistance to change. 2. Increase employees' engagement. Employees feel respected and valued when change is implemented with fairness and transparency. Ethical behavior and shared value motivate employees to actively participate in the change. 3. Strengthen organizational culture. Uploading core values during change reinforce the organizational identity and culture. A strong value-based culture helps maintain sustainability in times of uncertainty. 4. Improve communication. Ethical communication involves honesty, clarity, and openness. Better communication helps avoid misunderstanding and keeps all stakeholders aligned with the change goals. 5. Reduce resistance to change. When employees believe that the change is guided by ethical intention and consistent values, they are less likely to resist. They feel more secure and confident in the process. 6. Enhance reputation. Organizations that manage change ethically earn a good reputation among customer, partner, and the public. This reputation can attract talent and investment. 7. Lead to sustainable change. Change built on ethical and values is more likely to last because it is based on integrity and fairness. It ensures long-term success, not just short-term gains. 8. Encourages accountability. Ethical standards and core values encourage leaders, employees to take responsibility for their action during the change process. This promotes better decision making and performance. Purpose of core values and ethics in organizational change. The purpose of integrating core values and ethics in organizational change is to ensure that the change process is not only effective, but also principled, inclusive, and sustainable. Here's detailed breakdown. 1. Guide decision making. Core values and ethics serve as a moral framework for leaders and employees when making decisions during change. They help ensure that choices align with the organization mission and long-term vision. 2. Maintain organizational integrity. They help preserve the identity, principle, and culture of the organization during times of uncertainty or transition. This creates a sense of continuity and stability. 3. Protect stakeholder interests. Ethical practice ensure that employees, customers, shareholders, and communities are treated fairly. This helps prevent harm and promote mutual respect and trust. 4. Promote fairness and transparency. Embedding ethicals into change management fosters open, honestly, and constantly in communication and action. This building confidence in the change process. 5. Strengthen employee commitment. When employees see that the organization upholds its values, they are more likely to support and commit to the change. It fosters loyalty, morale, and engagement. 6. Ensure long-term success. Change guided by ethics and value is more likely to be sustainable as it focuses on doing the right things, not just the efficient or most profitable. It reduces the risk of backlash, legal issue, and reputation damage. 7. Foster ethical leadership. Promotes a culture of accountable and value-driven leadership. Leaders become role models for ethical behavior during change. Importance of core values and ethics in organization change. Core value and ethics play a critical role in ensuring that organizational change is not only successful but also fair, responsible, and sustainable. Here's why they are important. 1. Provide stability during uncertainty. Change can create confusion, anxiety, and insecurity. Core values act as a compass that provide direction and consistency in how the organization behaves during transition. 2. Build trust among stakeholders. When change is guided by ethical principles, employees and stakeholders are more likely to trust the process and leadership. Trust reduces resistance and enhance cooperation. 3. Align behavior with organizational goals. Core values help ensure that action and decision during change reflect the organization, mission, and culture. This keeps everyone focused on the common purpose. 4. Reduce resistance to change. Ethical treatment and transparent communication make employees feel heard and respected. Reduce fear and opposition. 5. Protect the organization reputation. Ethical practice safeguard the organization public image and credibility, especially during high-stake and visible change, e.g., mergers, layoff, restant sharing. 6. Promote ethical leadership. Change effort led by ethics leader inspire confidence, accountability, and fairness. It sets the tone for how others should behave. 7. Enhance employee more or engagement. When people see that organizations take its values, even during difficult change, they are more likely to feel value and stay motivated. 8. Ensure long-term success. Quick fixation and unethical shortcut may work short-term, but values-driven change leads to more durable and positive outcomes. Conclusion, core values and ethics in organizational change. Core values and ethics are essential foundation for any successful organizational change. While strategies and structures are important, it is the value and ethical principles behind them that determine how change is experienced, accepted, and sustained. When change is guided by integrity, fairness, respect, and transparency, it builds trust, strengthens the organizational culture, and promotes long-term success. Ethical leadership and the strong value system ensure that all stakeholders are treated with dignity, and that decisions are made not just for immediate gain, but for the greater good of the organization and its people. In short, core values and ethics guide behavior during uncertainty, reduce resistance, foster accountability and trust, ensure lasting and meaningful transformation. Organizations that prioritize ethics and value in change management are more likely to achieve effective, inclusive, and sustainable outcomes, creating workplaces that are not only productive but also perceptive and resilient.